Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture in Zoom. First you're going to open Zoom. After that go to the settings either by clicking on the settings icon or going to your profile picture and then clicking on settings. After that go to profile and edit my profile. It will automatically open it in your browser. The first option has your name and your profile picture. So click on the change that shows up under your profile picture. If you haven't changed it before, then it will already be the first letter of your name. So click on change and then click on upload and choose the image you want. I'm going to keep mine as is. After you're done, click on save. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helped. If it did, please don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.